What is up, beautiful people of the world? I was watching this video by Nick Nimmons, and he does YouTube tutorials on how to get bigger as a YouTuber. And one of his tips was to act like you have a lot more subscribers than you do. And I thought, what do big YouTubers do? Mail time. So I was like, yeah, let's do a small creator mail time. Cue the intro.
Mail's here! Come on!
Because the mail never stops. Never stops.
As a veteran postal carrier, I can...
Which one of you is the mailman?
Not chase the mail truck, not chase the mail truck. Get out of here, I'll kill you! But come back tomorrow, same time. I get very sad on Sundays when you're not here.
Small creator mail time. First things first, all big creators have sweet pocket knives, so let's get one of those. Whoa, awesome. So glad I got this pocket knife, aka super big kitchen knife, because I'm a small creator and I don't have a pocket knife. Alright, cool, let's do it. Refinance your student loans in 3 steps. Thank you, JetBlue, for sending me this. I tried to work with you on my surprise birthday flight with my girlfriend. You guys can check it out here, but you said no, so I'm gonna have to say no to you now. Blue Cross Blue Shield, health insurance, it's important. Sign up. Thank you, Xfinity. I don't really watch too much Xfinity. Valley Press, newspaper, sports page. Apparently Simsbury needs to work on their defense. The Yankee Flyer. This is great. Honestly, you can find tag sales, lawn mowing. Well, apparently I'm so good, you sent it twice. Think about the environment, people. Why are you printing all this? No one even looks at newspapers anymore. It's sad, but it's true. United Mileage Plus. Pilgrim Furniture. Don't own a home, don't need furniture. Thanks, guys. Bank of America. TD Bank. Oh, this is for my sister. Haley, you can refinance your student loans with Wells Fargo for 0%. If you ever watch this video, this is for you. I am a motorcycle rider, so this is good. I've been riding motorcycles since I was 16. Maybe I'll use this, but probably not. Their stuff is so expensive at Harley. Exclusive offer, $75 off. I don't like their clothes. It's always so tight. I like bust out. You know what I mean? Goodwin College. Oh, my dad. Okay, so they're trying to send. Like, I keep getting these for my dad. It's like he wants to go, they're trying to get him to go back to school, which if you're older and you're trying to go back to school, good for you. I'm really proud of you. It's awesome to get your degree. 2-week window and door sale, 40% off qualifying installations from Payla. Thank you, Payla, for sending me that. Student loan. I'm sick of paying you guys. It's a pain in the butt. Hey, I have an idea for YouTube. I think you guys should allow creators to use their AdSense revenue to pay for student loans, and if they do that, then you don't take out any fees. What do you think about that? I think that'd be a sick idea. That's giving back to the people right there. You're welcome, that idea is for free. Jay Corrigan, home improvement contractor. 10% off with this coupon. Hey, if anyone's looking for a home improvement contractor, Jay Corrigan sent me this. Thanks, Jay Corrigan, you're awesome. AARP. Okay, this is addressed to me. This is hilarious, let me tell you the story. So, telemarketers think that I'm like a 70-year-old man, and here's why I know. Every day I get a call from telemarketers asking me if I want to buy like Lifeline buttons, wheelchairs, what else do I get? Walkers, you name it. Anything that has to do with being a retired, older man, I get phone calls for it all the time. So somewhere along the way, my data got completely mixed up, and they think I'm like 70 years old and need a walker. J&G Euro Painting LLC wrote me a note. Free estimate, fully insured, please read on camera. Oh no, it didn't say please read on camera, but it'd be funny if it did, right? J&G Euro Painting LLC, thanks for sending me this. You guys are awesome. If you guys want your house painted, hit them up. Switch and get $100, Financial Credit Union, boom. I'm not switching. 2 coupons inside. Hey GNC, thanks for sending me coupons. Tax collector from the city of Waterbury. I don't even live there. Zimmerman, Lieutenant Governor. I feel terrible. I am such an advocate for voting. If you're not signed up to vote, go sign up to vote. I was down in DC shooting the Fit Summit Challenge video with Brandon for Daryl Eves and Cody Warner, and I missed my voting day. It's the best thing in the world to be able to vote and feel like your vote counts, but I missed my day. That says something. You know, you should be able to vote online. You should be able to vote online, and I know that there's hacking issues and whatnot, but we should make it easier for people to vote. Free propane, thanks Amerigas. Big brothers and big sisters, heartsprings.org if you want to donate some clothes. YMCA, slim down. I do need to slim down. I'm like a good 10 pounds over right now. Dita for Treasurer, there you go. This mail isn't even for me. This mail is not even for me. There's like 3 things in the mail that weren't even for us. Awesome, I didn't even know I was getting this. This is Zazzle right there. All right, so some of you might have seen Cody Warner's video he did like a few weeks back where he was basically trying to show you how you can make money as a YouTuber, and he went around trying to make Facebook cover videos for different businesses. Here's the receipt. And so I thought like, dang Cody, that's a good idea, I should do that. So I wanted to step it up a little bit, and I made some business cards. Now, like I'm not sponsored by Zazzle. I thought their platform was super easy to use, and I was able to like load in some photos and stuff, so I'm really curious how these things look. Oh my God, these things are so sweet. You can see that there, that's pretty sweet, right? Look at that, that's my like cover video, photo and stuff. Marketing hit me up. Look at how sweet that thing is. Pretty cool, huh? I'm not gonna lie, the quality is not as good as I was hoping, but I didn't spend that much money on them, and they're like cool to hand out, you know? And I think it's a good idea to get some business cards if you guys are trying to make money as a small creator. I might actually get some for my YouTube channel so I can hand them out. Brandon Allen did that at Allen RVA. He had some with him when we were in DC, and they were just so useful. I think that does it for Small Creator Mail Time. If you guys actually want to send me something, the address is 131 Whiting Street, Plainville, Connecticut, 06062. Send me some real stuff so I don't have to open junk mail all day long. That'd be awesome. If you don't want to send me anything because you're like, why the heck would I send that guy something? I also understand that. I love you guys. Thank you for watching this video. In other news, I'm going to be uploading more regularly now. I want to continue with the tips, so I'm going to try to do one video of travel tips a week, and then I'm also going to do one other video that I just feel like doing. Part of the reason I started on YouTube was to just create stuff that I love, and so I'm gonna do one day a week of that, and I also want to get back to you guys. So the travel tips I think are super useful, so I'll be doing that once a week as well. I'm also gonna give you guys, since you stuck around this long, I'm also gonna tell you guys one thing. I'm working on a new show. It's an interview show, and it's gonna be freaking awesome. Like, I've been working on this thing for probably a month and a half, and I'm so pumped up about it. I think it's gonna be big. It's gonna be big, and I'm so pumped up. So hang on to your horses for that. I think actually this weekend I'm shooting a pilot episode. All the equipment that I needed to get for it is coming on Saturday. But hit that subscribe button because seriously that show's gonna be awesome. It's gonna be its own playlist, so you guys are gonna be able to watch that whenever you want. We're gonna do season 1, hopefully starting here next month. Again, thanks for watching this Small Creator Mail Time. You know, act like a big YouTuber, you might become a big YouTuber. Peace out, love you guys.